Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with 2 safety steps. Back up anything irreplaceable and create a system restore point so you can roll back if needed. Once done, close Open Programs and sign in as an administrator. Now, Open Start, go to Computer, right-click Local Disk, C, and pick Properties. Click Disk Cleanup. It scans for temporary files, recycle bin items, and cached installers. This launches the cleanup tool, so you can choose what to remove and immediately reclaim space. You now expand Cleanup to System Files. Click Cleanup System Files. Windows will rescan and add items like Windows Update Cleanup and Service Pack backups. Make careful selections. Remove temp files and previous Windows installations if you need space, but keep Service Pack backups until you're certain. Once you apply cleanup, run Disk Defragmenter on mechanical drives to optimize file layout. Do not defragment SSDs. This step reduces fragmentation and can improve performance. You finish by emptying the recycle bin and restarting the PC to finalize changes, then confirm recovered space in computer or disk management. If you still lack room, run a folder size scanner to find big files. Look in Users, Downloads, and Program Files. Make sure to uninstall unused programs and move media to external storage. Troubleshooting tip: if the system behaves oddly after removing system files, use your restore point or backup to revert. That's why you made one before start.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.